Let's continue. So now we will study the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense. So here is a diagram. A very simple diagram it is. The sentence is, my father was working when Geeta arrived. My father was working when Geeta arrived. So try to understand this diagram. My father was working when Geeta arrived. Was working. So the action started in the past before this point shows that the action started in the past and it is continued for some time. Geeta arrived here in the past. This also past. Geeta arrived here. Now this is the action that was going on in the past. Now the action is not going on. Now in the past it was going on. काही कालावधीसाठी पास्ट मध्ये ही ऍक्शन सुरू होती. बिफोर अप टू गीताज अरायवल. गीता येईपर्यंत ऍक्शन ही सुरू होती. हिज फादर वॉज वर्किंग फ्रॉम द पास्ट मोमेंट, फ्रॉम द पास्ट टाइम अप टू गीताज अरायवल. and now the action is not going on. आता ऍक्शन सुरू नाही. म्हणजे काही कालावधीसाठी पास्ट मध्ये ती ऍक्शन सुरू होती. काही कालावधीसाठी पास्ट मध्ये माझे वडील काही कालावधीसाठी काम करत होते जेव्हा गीता तिथं पोहोचली होती. सगळं काही पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये आहे. काही कालावधीसाठी ते काम सुरू होते. होप दॅट इट इज व्हेरी क्लिअर. समजलं असेल तुम्हाला. अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स. आता अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स कसं तयार करायचं पहा. I was writing an essay yesterday. I was writing an essay yesterday. काल यावेळेस मी एक essay लिहत होतो. Yesterday. This adverb shows that action was in the past. I was writing an essay yesterday. Was verb of to be. Writing is the main verb. त्याला ing फॉर्म लागलेला आहे. प्रोग्रेसिव्ह टेन्स, कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मध्ये क्रियापदाला ing फॉर्म ing लागतो हे माहित आहे. I was writing an essay yesterday. I was writing an essay yesterday. Negative. I was not feeling very happy to let me go with her. I was not feeling very happy to let me go with her. Was not feeling. Was not was and ing form. Then negative करायचं असेल तर निगेटिव्ह इंट्रोगेटिव्ह. निगेटिव्ह इंट्रोगेटिव्ह. एक इंट्रोगेटिव्ह करायचं आहे, क्वेश्चन तयार करायचा आहे आणि निगेटिव्ह तयार करायचं. तर वेर यू नॉट प्लॅनिंग टू स्टडी टुगेदर. वेर यू नॉट प्लॅनिंग टू स्टडी. So there was internet problem for a moment. Hope that you all are listening to me. So we are talking about past continuous tense and interrogative, negative, interrogative, negative, past continuous. How to form? The sentence begins with auxiliary verb, verb of to be. Were you not planning to study together? This is interrogative negative. Then weren't you planning to study together? Weren't you planning to study together? So these are the forms of the sentence in past continuous. Hope that it is clear for you. आता आपल्याला हे लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे की पास्ट टेन्स कोणत्या अशी इव्हेंट्स आहेत जेव्हा पास्ट टेन्स आपण वापरलं पाहिजे, पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स वापरलं पाहिजे. सो दोज युसेजेस वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. जे युसेजेस आहेत त्याचा अभ्यास आपण आता करणार आहोत. सो युसेजेस वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. टू रेफर अन ऑनगोइंग ऍक्शन इन द पास्ट. टू रेफर अन ऑनगोइंग ऍक्शन इन द पास्ट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आता आपण तुम्ही लेक्चर ऐकत आहात, ऑनलाईन लेक्चर तुम्ही ऐकत आहात. काल याच वेळी तुम्ही काय करत होते हे सांगण्यासाठी तुम्हाला पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्सचा वापर करावा लागेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कसं की वी वेर, तुम्हाला काय म्हणावं लागेल, वी वेर अटेंडिंग ऑनलाइन क्लास at that time. We were attending online class at that time. त्यावेळेस आम्ही ऑनलाईन क्लास करत होतो. काही कालावधीसाठी ऑनलाईन क्लास तुम्ही केलेला एखाद्या तासासाठी. That is to refer an ongoing action in the past. To refer an ongoing action in the past. For example, Ajit was trying to send you a message last night. Ajit was trying to send you a message last night. Refer to a longer duration of a past action. एक longer duration, काही duration साठी एका विशिष्ट कालावधीसाठी ते ऍक्शन जे सुरू होती ते सांगण्यासाठी सुद्धा पास्ट कंटिन्युअसचा उपयोग केला जातो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, शी वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर फॉर अ लॉंग टाइम. She was suffering from a fever for a long time. She was suffering from fever for a long time. So hope that it is clear for you. आता आपल्याला ही जी स्टोरी आहे ती स्टोरी पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायची आहे. पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स फॉर्म मध्ये. There past continuous tense form. There is a beautiful story among Tibetan people about Mount Everest. In ancient times, there was a sea in the region. The people of the region was living very happy there. So इथून आपण सुरुवात करूया. सुरुवातीला there was a beautiful story among Tibetan people. Is was आपण फक्त was केलेला आहे, ing फॉर्म इथं वापरता येत नाही आपल्याला. There is a beautiful story. There was a beautiful story among Tibetan people about Mount Everest. In ancient times, there was, we are using simple past, there was a sea in this region. People of the region was living. People of the region were living. People of the region were living is continuous past, very happily there. One day a group of devils were coming and were starting destroying everything in the region. The people were feeling very scared. They were not able to protect their land and their lives from these devils. Out of helplessness, they were praying to gods for protection. As they were praying, the wind was bringing 5 colorful clouds to the land. The clouds were arriving from heaven. The clouds were actually 5 gods. They were fighting with the devils and locked them under the snow mountains. The people were pleading to the goddesses to remain on earth and protect them. The goddesses were agreeing. They were creating forests, grasslands, farm fields, and beautiful flowers. After they were finishing their creation, they turned into 5 high peaks out of the 5 goddesses. The third goddess was the bravest one. She became the tallest peak. In this way, you have to go on changing the tense. Hope that it is clear for you. Continuous past is clear for you now. Now we are moving to the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense आता आपण पाहणार आहोत. कंपॅरिझन आपल्याला करायचे. We have to compare and contrast. Compare and contrast जर आपण केलं तरच आपल्याला समजेल. Otherwise we will not be able to understand. The present perfect tense. पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये 2 आपण सब टाइप्स शिकलेलो आहोत. कोणकोणते? एक सिंपल पास्ट आणि दुसरं कंटिन्युअस पास्ट. आता आपण प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट शिकायचं आपलं. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स कोणकोणते कालच्या क्लासमध्ये कोणकोणते 2 टेन्सेस आपण शिकलेला आहे. सिंपल प्रेझेंट, कंटिन्युअस प्रेझेंट. आज आपण सिंपल पास्ट, कंटिन्युअस पास्ट असं आपण शिकलेलं आहे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स आपण आता शिकणार आहोत. The present perfect tense indicates an action that started in the past and is still connected with the present in some way or the other. It shows an action that has been completed just now or some time back in the immediate past. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स आपण केव्हा वापरतो? एखादी ऍक्शन जी पास्ट मध्ये सुरू झालेली आहे ती कंटिन्यू आहे किंवा नुकतीच संपलेली म्हणजे प्रेझेंट मध्ये संपलेली आहे, अशा वेळेस आपण प्रेझेंट परफेक्टचा उपयोग करू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल,
हॅलो, हा नाही मी अनघा बोलते. हो ते हो हो मजेत आहे मजेत आहे. हो त्या दिवशी पाहिलंच मग सर्वांना महालक्ष्मीच्या पूजेच्या वेळेला. हो हो आरतीच्या वेळेला व्हिडिओ कॉल केला होता तेव्हा बघितली लेखा वगैरे तुम्ही सर्व भेटले. हो 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 हो.
म्यूट युअरसेल्फ पार्टिसिपंट्स, म्यूट युअरसेल्फ. Somebody was talking on the phone, so this is not fair. You have to mute yourself. So what I was telling you, that the action took place, the action started in the past and it continued in the present or just finished in the present. At that time we use perfect tense, present perfect tense. एखादी ऍक्शन जी पास्ट मध्ये सुरू झालेली आहे आणि प्रेझेंट मध्ये नुकतीच संपलेली आहे किंवा प्रेझेंट मध्ये सुद्धा कंटिन्यू आहे, अशा वेळेस आपण प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स वापरतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय हॅव स्टडीड इन दिल्ली युनिव्हर्सिटी. I have studied in Delhi University. I have studied in Delhi University. So, केव्हा अभ्यास करायला दिल्ली विद्यापीठामध्ये केव्हा होतो तो? केव्हापासून राहायला सुरुवात केलं? 1992, 1992 पासून तो राहायचा. कंटिन्यू झाला तो 1992 पासून ते 2021 पर्यंत. At that time we use present perfect tense. So I have studied in Delhi. I have studied in Delhi University. This is the sentence. So the structure is I subject have, this is the auxiliary verb. Studied is the past participle of main verb in Delhi University. Remaining sentence. Negative, I have not played cricket. Interrogative sentences, has Ratan played well is the interrogative, and WH question, what have you played? What have you played is the WH question. Now we have to fill up the blank space given in this paragraph. So what is the structure? Have, then past participle of the main verb. Present perfect चा स्ट्रक्चर कोणता आहे? पहिल्यांदा have, त्याच्यानंतर past participle of main verb. I have come, came, come. I have come to your school to demonstrate a few things about using computers for your studies. As we saw recently, the computer, as we have seen recently, the computer is very important tool in the modern world. How many of you have used computers before? Don't worry if you haven't the computer before. I have learned to use the computer recently. Have learned, have used, haven't used, These are the present perfect forms of the verb. We know that pollution has become a threat to our survival. Before the Industrial Revolution in 19th century, people lived more in harmony with their immediate environment. With the spread of industrialization, the problem of pollution has increased. When Earth's population was much longer, no one believed pollution would ever present a serious problem. With the increasing population on the planet, it has become apparent that there are limits. Pollution is one of the signs that humans has exceeded those limits. If third person singular is there, then has and past participle of the main verb, and in other cases have and past participle of main verb. So here are some sentences given. We have to change it into as the instructions given, change it into WH question. I have lost my pen. I have lost my pen. What have you lost? What have you lost? The answer is pen. What have you lost? The answer is pen. My father has bought a computer for me on my birthday. What has my father bought? What has my father bought? My father bought a computer. You have seen it. We have to form yes no type question. You have to see, you have to notice, you have to, sorry, you have seen it. Have you seen it is yes no type question. Have you seen it? I have noticed it. Negative. I haven't noticed it. Then you have seen the movie so many times. You have seen the movie so many times. We have to form interrogative. Have you seen the movie so many times? Sarita has done a course on computer programming. Negative interrogative. Hasn't Sarita done a course on computer programming? Hasn't Sarita done a course on computer programming? This is negative interrogative. She has not agreed to help me with computer programming. She has not agreed to help me with computer programming. So we have to change it into affirmative. She has disagreed. She has disagreed to help me with computer programming. I have not visited the zoo yet. Yes, no type question. I have not visited the zoo yet. Have I visited the zoo yet? This is WH, yes, no type question. Prabhakar has been in touch with George. Prabhakar has been in touch with George. Negative, you have to form. Prabhakar hasn't been in touch with George. So these are some of the sentences. You have to do the exercise. I am going to post it, the notes on Google Classroom. You have to download it and you have to practice. So here some usage is given. When to use present perfect. Present perfect केव्हा वापरायचं? This usage is very important. हा usage आपण शिकलं पाहिजे. That is more important. So the first usage is to indicate a finished action. To indicate a finished action that has its impact in the present. एखादी ऍक्शन जी संपलेली आहे पण त्याचा जो प्रभाव आहे, त्याचा जो इम्पॅक्ट आहे तो प्रेझेंट मध्ये असला तर समजायचं की इट इज सुटेबल फॉर प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट मध्ये हे आपल्याला सांगावं लागेल. हाऊ प्रीतम हॅज फाउंड हिज वॉच. प्रीतम हॅज फाउंड हिज वॉच. हरवली होती वॉच, नुकतीच त्याला सापडली. प्रीतम हॅज फाउंड हिज वॉच. टू कन्वे इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑर न्यूज. एखादी इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगायची आहे त्यावेळेस सुद्धा आपण प्रेझेंट परफेक्टचा वापर करू शकतो. द प्राईम मिनिस्टर हॅज signed the nuclear deal with America. The Prime Minister has signed the nuclear deal with America. For repeated action till the present. For repeated action till the present. Continuously एखादी action repeat होत असेल आतापर्यंत तर मात्र आपण त्यावेळेस सिंपल प्रेझेंट परफेक्टचा उपयोग करू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, I have listened to the song 4 times since this afternoon. I have listened to the song 4 times since this afternoon. To indicate an action that started in the past and still continuing. एखादी ऍक्शन जी पास्ट मध्ये सुरू झालेली आहे आणि स्टील कंटिन्यू आहे, सध्या अजून सुरू आहे, त्यावेळेस सुद्धा आपण प्रेझेंट परफेक्टचा वापर करू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय हॅव ऑलवेज अडमायर्ड यू. I have always admired you. So these are the usages of present perfect. Present perfect चे हे usages आहेत. आता इथं आपण fill in the blanks चा क्वेश्चन आहे. इथं blanks आपण fill करत आहोत with present perfect verb form. Present perfect verb form आपण वापरत आहोत. So the most glorious target of world mountain climbers has been to reach the highest spot on the earth. The first organized attempt to reach the world's highest peak has taken place from the northern Tibetan side in 1922. It was led by George Mallory. He has been surviving the expedition and came closer to the summit 2 years later, but has disappeared on Everest northeast ridge. On May 29, 1953, New Zealander Edmund Hillary and Tenzing More have made it to the top for the first time in the world. Since then, more than 550 climbers from 20 countries have reached the summit. Junko Tebei of Japan has been the first woman to stand on the top of the world. She has climbed the Everest in 1975. Everest expedition has claimed more than 95 lives, including those of 40 Sherpas so far. So this was present perfect tense. Hope that it is clear for you. हे समजलं असेल तुम्हाला असं गृहीत धरतो आणि इथं आपल्याला थांबावं लागेल. We have to stop here.